I'm Dr. Surendra, consultant chest physician, practicing for the last 13 years at Visakhapatnam, now with KIMS Seethammadhara. Are you snoring and do you feel it is safe and healthy? No. Snoring occurs due to the narrowing of your airway passages. Can turn into a serious condition like sleep apnea. Snoring leads to symptoms like lack of sleep at night, sudden awakenings during sleep, daytime excess sleepiness, lack of motivation in your work, easy fatigue, breathlessness on exertion, relationship issues with your partner. This can be diagnosed simply with an easy test like non-invasive test like polysomnography and can be treated also. So don't neglect if you snore and having any of these symptoms. Thank you.